Tiny House Prepper.
Live simple, live free.
Hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth with Tiny House Prepper.
And for the past week we have been staying with our son. We took a cottage down and we parked in his driveway. Works really well. And so now we're leaving their house and we are going to Watkins Glen State Park in New York. This is a really cool place. It's a gorge sort of thing with a whole bunch of waterfalls in it. And we've been there once before. When was that, dear?
On our honeymoon. Yep. 41 years ago.
And we have not been back since. So we've been kind of looking forward to this.
Yeah.
So we've got a little bit of a drive to get there. We'll be there for 5 days.
Yeah.
So, coming along with us to Watkins Glen State Park in New York.
Show you some beautiful stuff. Anytime any of you have ever complimented me on something I was wearing, you know, if somebody liked it, I probably got it at Cracker Barrel. I really love the styles that they have. The prices are surprisingly good and they have good sales. And they have sizes that are comfortable for me. So I gotta admit, I love shopping in the Cracker Barrel boutique, I guess I could call it, but it's in the Cracker Barrel old country store. Country vegetable plate. I'm gonna get a country vegetable plate. I love them at Cracker Barrel.
What do you got there?
I have got some trout and carrots and fresh fruit, and it looks absolutely wonderful. Yeah, it's really all healthy stuff that I can have. Now let's see what you got.
And I got some sirloin steak, mashed potatoes, and veggies.
Oh yeah. Yep, Cracker Barrel biscuits and cornbread.
Gotta love it.
Gotta love them.
So after our first day of travel, last night we stopped here at this Walmart in Winchester, Virginia, and it's a good place to stop. This is actually the third time that we've spent the night here, and it's always very quiet and no issues. And as you can see, there's an RV right there, and then over here there's another one down there in the corner. And then there's a big truck over there. There was actually 2 more RVs here last night. It was real quiet all night except for about 7 o'clock this morning. Some idiot drove up and down, beeping the horn past all the RVs. Just a jerk, you know, trying to wake everybody up. But we were already awake, so it wasn't an issue. So here's a sign on the Walmart door. Welcome. Do not enter. Well, so now we're ready to leave Walmart, and I seem to have a problem with my stabilizer. It won't retract. When I try to do that, instead of the stabilizer coming up, this bolt comes out. And I couldn't figure out what was going on. It took me a while, but there's a little spot right there. And there's this ring in here. I think that ring is supposed to be welded to that little spot, and that's what keeps this from coming out and makes that come up instead. But that little ring appears to be broken off, and so I have no way to retract the stabilizer. So I'm stuck here. So the only thing I can figure for right now, if I have the right wrenches, and I hope I do, I'm gonna have to take the stabilizer off of the trailer to get the dumb thing out of the way so we can drive. It's always something. So I got the stabilizer out, so now we can leave, but now I don't have a stabilizer over here. And when I pull out our slide, in Walmart we only bring it out about that far just to make it a little easier to move around inside. Normally it comes out 3.5 feet, and that puts a lot of weight here, and that stabilizer helps to hold that weight. It's going to be a problem without that there. I might have to take the stabilizer off of the other side and put it here just so that I can support the weight of the slide when it comes out until I can do something to get this fixed. But I'm not going to switch that out until we get to Watkins Glen tonight. I'm not going to take the time right now. At least we can drive again. As I look at this retainer ring is definitely what keeps this from going that way, and it's no longer attached. So maybe if I can find a welding shop and they can just put a spot weld right there to keep this from sliding, that'll probably fix it. What you doing?
Oh, hi. I was looking at comments and answering comments and stuff, and petting the cat.
Stopping at Haas's Steakhouse for lunch. We discovered Haas's a few years ago. They seem to be all over like South Central and Western Pennsylvania, and we really love it. We stop whenever we see one. It's a good steakhouse. So we're usually here for dinner, so we usually get a steak, and they have a really nice salad bar. So since we're here for lunch, we decided to go a little lighter. So we both got the salad bar, and I just got a hamburger. Comes real cheap if you get the bar. And she got a hamburger without the bun.
Or the cheese or anything, just the burger.
Yeah.
And a really good salad, exactly what I'm supposed to be getting, so trying to follow as close as I can.
filled up the water, the fresh water, and emptied the tanks at the dump station as we came in. Now we're looking for our site. Man, this is a beautiful park. I like state parks so much better than RV parks because they're usually more space between the campsites, they're usually cheaper, and they're usually full of trees like this. This is just beautiful.
And we're gonna have electric.
Yeah, we don't have water because we got the dump station and all that, but we will have electric. Works for me.
Yep, me too.
Definitely a lot of people here, but they're just not crammed in quite as badly as they are in an RV park.
Yep.
Look at that old vintage trailer right there.
Oh, cool. We've turned into the sort of getting old couple that goes out in their RV and camps. Yep, we have. Even the tent sites are really quite nice. That's it right there?
Number 82.
All right. Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, and honey, you know what? This is a pine forest, and it smells like pine. Oh my goodness. I missed that from camping in Colorado growing up. Oh, it smells like pine. I love that smell. But look at him fit that between those trees. Whew. Beautiful here. Oh. Gorgeous.
Right in there.
Right in there, sweetheart.
I've done that before.
You certainly haven't, even with something much bigger.
This is a really steep hill right here. Right at the back of our campsite. Look at how much room we've got between us and the next camper. In an RV park, there would be 3 more in between. Love this place.
What you doing?
Oh, hey.
No, I said, what you doing?
Yeah, I'm trying to replace this stabilizer that broke. pain in the neck.
Well, you need any help?
Huh? No, I don't think so. I got it. Thank you.
All right, just I thought I'd offer. See ya.
Yeah, man.
Well, here we are,
Yep, it's just so beautiful here.
all set up. This is a gorgeous place. I think this will probably not be our last trip.
We hadn't been here since for 41 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We came on our honeymoon. We were on our motorcycle
Yes, we were. We were young.
and a tent.
And a little
Yeah.
tent.
We got, I don't know if we've really talked much about this, but we got married in Colorado Springs, and my parents were not able to come. And I was in the Army at the time, and about 2 weeks after we got married, I took 30 days leave and we headed east on our motorcycle, a CX500, Honda CX500. And we came to my parents here in the Northeast, and we went to Niagara Falls and things like that. But we also came through Watkins Glen, and we were camping everywhere we went. So we did 5,000,
5,600 miles.
yeah, in 30 days. And this was one of our spots that we stopped. I have a vague memory of the gorge and that it was just absolutely beautiful. There's a lot of waterfalls. But we're going to do that tomorrow or the next day. Anyway, we're going to do that in the next video.
Yes.
So
yes.
I think we're going to end this here for now. We're going to enjoy this beautiful, peaceful evening. And
Yeah, when I was that young, sleeping in a tent, going on the motorcycle, what an incredible adventure that was.
yeah,
And now I'm just so grateful for this place. It's just wonderful.
when I was young, I always thought I would retire on a Goldwing and we'd travel the country camping, riding a Goldwing. But air conditioning is awful nice.
Yeah,
And a soft bed is awful nice.
yeah.
It's amazing how perspectives change as you get older.
Yep, it does. Yeah, it's just I am really loving this cottage more all the time, and what a wonderful setting for it.
Yeah.
So right now we have a cottage, kind of in the mountains,
Right?
at Watkins Glen.
Right? Absolutely.
Alrighty,
All right, everybody. Be blessed.
live simple.
Live free.
All right, we will see you soon. Love you guys.
All right. Goodbye.